Have you ever seen your tarantula shed?
Yeah, it's freaky.
Forever, right?
Yeah, he's about to go through a shed right now.
I saw it on YouTube. Speed camera. Or, whoa, 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 whoa. He's on the move. He's on the prowl. Ooh. I didn't see it. I don't even know what happened.
Oh, he's going after him.
Yeah, he's trying to figure out what the hell is that. I've never seen one of those before.
Has he ever eaten one?
No, look at the fluid already building up in the web. He's like spitting poison.
Wow.
See that big droplet?
Yeah, I do.
He's wrapping him right now, huh?
Yeah, but he's slowly like spreading poison around him.
Interesting.
Oh, is he digging in right now again?
Yeah, he's trying to get to that exoskeleton. When I was a kid, I put black widows in my stepdad's boots.
No way.
Oh yeah, stung him too. Whoa. And then on his deathbed, I told him I did it.
Really?
Clear my conscience.
What?
So good. Yum.
2009, August 24th, 12:44 a.m. Koreatown, Odori.
Finished my udon, Japanese noodles. Sam's eating it.
Beverly Center. Memorial Day weekend. So how do you feel right now, David Choi?
Splendid.
I'm so tired.
Whoa.